So, I'm going to introduce you now to the Dholak. So this beautiful instrument is very similar to the Dhol, but obviously a smaller version. Now, traditionally you find this within Gidda Boliyan, and that is a female counterpart to Bhangra. And you'll see this at weddings and at ceremonies, and it's sometimes played with a spoon, and it's kind of beaten on top, along with this treble and bass side. So we're going to give you a little sample of how it sounds in a traditional setting. So,
ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And now Sunil is going to actually perform the Dholak as you'd see it in the Bhangra music industry. Okay, so take it away, Sunil.